Alright, so for my lab, there are a few things that I need. So my supplies are one hot dog, tape, skewers, got a metal one and a wooden one, just whichever one decides to work best for me, cling wrap, aluminum foil, an empty Pringles can, the lid, a knife, a Sharpie, thermometer, and a drill. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole in the bottom of the Pringles can and stuck the metal skewer through, poked a hole through the lid. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a hole in the Pringles can lengthwise and make a stand out of it. And I will then put aluminum foil inside the can. So now what I've done is I have taken aluminum foil and placed it inside of my Pringles can. Like I said, I cut the hole out so that we could let the sun in that way. This is what it looks like on the inside. Just lined it a little bit with the aluminum foil to give it a little bit more of reflectiveness, I guess, to do some heat conductivity. So I've used the piece of cardboard that came off of it here. I've put some tape on it so that I can use it as a stand whenever I get it outside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap it in cling wrap. And what the cling wrap is going to do is it's going to act as a barrier in order to trap the heat inside the can. Alright, now we have the cling wrap on the can. Can't quite put my finger in there anymore. So now I'm going to skewer my hot dog and put it in there. I'm also going to poke the thermometer down in there as well so that we can get readings every once in a while. So now we've got the hot dog skewered in there. I'm just going to place the thermometer in and we're going to be ready to rock and roll. Alright, so I've gotten my hot dog sitting out here on my car. Kind of got the hot dog angled a little bit at the sun. Our initial reading, which was probably just a minute ago, it was 64, but now it's jumped up to, I don't know if you can see it, probably 72. So we've got it cooking. I'm not real sure how long it's going to take, but I'm interested to see how it works. So we are hanging out in my car. Disregard my messy front porch, but I've got my solar cooker sitting out here. And we are on the last reading we got was at 132. It's now sitting at 134. Our last reading was 77 degrees. Now at 134 we are sitting at 87 degrees. I'm sitting in here so that I can sit in the cold in the cool air, but I can see my reader, and that's all that really matters. But this is where we're hanging out for the duration of cooking my hot dog. So at 134, we're sitting at 89 degrees. This sucker's working, you know. Alright, so we're sitting here. The temperature has been steadily increasing now. It was jumping really big in the very beginning. But now we're on about 150. And it's actually gone down a degree. So I'm about to get out and look at it a little bit. It looks like there is slowly beginning to be some like condensation or steam that's on the cling wrap. Not really sure what that's all about, but I'm about to look at it and check on it. So